Hey everybody, I want to introduce you to my favorite new piece of equipment, this tripod. It's so simple, but I love it. It is from Neewer, and it is a 79-inch tall tripod. It's extremely versatile, and it's my favorite new pieces of equipment. Hey all, this is Doug Fahl. You're watching Augmented Actor. That's what you're watching. All right, so we got this tripod here. This is the Neewer 79-inch tripod. I have used a lot of different heavy-duty tripods, even down to like light stands, like this one that my microphone is on. And they're good and convenient, and I really like them. And, I have a bunch of them. But this thing, this little baby, I got it because I have a DSLR camera, and I just wanted something that was easy to set up and that I could do overhead shots with. It also allows you to get really close to the ground as well. So it's a very versatile and very neat tripod. Now, who is this tripod for? Well, it's for anyone who needs a quick tripod setup or needs to travel with their tripod because it's very lightweight. So if you're an actor and you need to set up quickly for self-tape auditions, this is the tripod for you. And if you are an independent filmmaker or student filmmaker, this one is really going to be great. It may not work for like really professional high-grade cameras with huge lenses and stuff. It only holds about 33 pounds of weight. So I wouldn't recommend it for professionals, but everyday video makers and actors, this is an awesome tripod. And let me tell you about some of its features. This tripod has 4 extendable sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it extends out and retracts very easily. It utilizes twist handles, little rubber twist handles, which is so much more efficient than using those turnkey style handles. The handles on a traditional tripod can kind of interfere with each other a little bit. Plus you have to twist each one, let it out, and then twist it back into place. And you do have to do some twisting with this, but it's all one motion. In fact, you can extend all 3 sections of the leg with one twist. And then you can bring it up and tighten them all with one twist. So it's very fast to set up. Comes with nice rubber feet so you don't have slippage on smooth surfaces. Each leg has a soft foam padding on it, which makes gripping it really nice, really pleasurable. I love it. It's made from sturdy aluminum material, so it is lightweight but very sturdy. You have an extendable center rod. You can also take this rod out by pushing the button underneath. It will dislodge it and pull it out. So then you can flip it in and put it in upside down and bring your camera down lower to the ground. You can extend the rod out to do overhead shots, and you can use it to pan 360 degrees around the base. And if you need an exact marking, you have the angle markings on the turn knob right here. Now you have a large removable mount on top of the tripod, so you can put this on another tripod as long as it's got a 1/4-inch mount. It has a ball mount that is adjustable 360 degrees with dual pins so that it makes it easy to adjust it. You can turn it 360 degrees, and for precision there is an angle marking on the unit itself. There's a horizontal level on the top of the tripod, and there's a vertical level on the top of the ball mount. Now the quick mount plate screws off really easily, just a few turns here, comes right off, and then it mounts really simply. Just screw it back in and it is on and secure. Some tripods have like really elaborate mechanisms. You have to push and pull different levers and stuff, whereas this will allow you to screw it in with a quarter or a screwdriver, but it also has a little handy screwing in ring, so that pops right out. It has a 1/4-inch mount on the side here, so you can add extra equipment like a monitor or audio equipment and whatnot, as long as it has a 1/4-inch screw mount. You also get a carabiner attachment to attach a sandbag for stability, and it comes with a handy carrying case. But there's a problem with this, and I'll tell you more about that in a minute. Now there's a couple cool things about this. First of all, it extends up to 79 inches at its full height, and that is taller than me. I'm 6'5", and I can have this thing looking down upon me, which is awesome and exactly what I need. But you can also go low to the ground. You can go as low as like an inch from the ground with your camera and do a 360 pan from there. And if you're a photographer and you just need a monopod, this leg screws right off, and then you can mount your ball head on the leg, and then you have a monopod. You can also attach an optional phone mount to mount your phone to the tripod. Now I have a link to this product down below. It's an Amazon link. You can buy this product on Amazon for about $130. It's pretty reasonably priced. And if you use my Amazon affiliate link down below to buy this product, you're helping support this channel at no additional cost to you. Every product has a few drawbacks. Let's talk about what those are. You don't have a crossbar at the bottom for stability. So when you extend the tripod up to its full extension, it can get a little bit wobbly. If you're in a windy environment, it may wobble a bit. I actually don't like the base supports on tripods because I like to sometimes stack my tripods very close to each other and those base supports kind of get in the way. So it's kind of a good thing to not have one, in my opinion. Another thing I wish you could attach a handle to the camera mount so that you can use an external handle. A lot of tripods have that, but I can see why they don't add it because it adds a lot of extra weight and it's really easy to turn the base of this with just your hand. Now, the biggest gripe I have is with the carrying case. It's a nice case, but it only fits the length of the tripod. So you have to take the ball mount off. You have to remove this whole piece to get it to fit in the bag, and you can't even fit the piece in around the tripod. So you have to carry this separately in a different bag or get a larger bag. I don't know why they didn't make it a little bit bigger so that you could put the whole thing in there. Those minor negative aspects aside, this thing is a beast. It is my favorite tripod. And if you're doing a self-tape audition and you need to streamline your setup process, this is going to save you a good couple minutes every time you set up because it's just that nice. That's it. I'm sure you'll love this as much as I do. I recommend it for anybody who needs to shoot from a camera. And if you want to see some more product reviews of some of my favorite products, I have a playlist right up here, and I will see you next time around. Bye-bye.